Hi, my name is David Wise, and my insurance agency provides coverage to equine operations and other types of farms and agribusinesses throughout the state of Virginia. Today I'd like to talk with you about several common mistakes that I see horse farm and ranch owners make that put them at increased risk. The first mistake that I often see is that the business owner doesn't have a well-written equine liability waiver and release for their property. I see some prospective clients who have borrowed a waiver from another farm or organization in an effort to save money or prevent having to hire an attorney to draft their own waiver. I strongly recommend against this because waivers are very specific from state to state and should take into account exactly what your operation offers to the public. Every operation is slightly different, and your waiver should take into account these differences. A poorly drafted waiver may expose you to liability claims and put your assets at unnecessary risk. Another mistake I see is that farmers set up an LLC or other entity and may not insure the entity properly or sometimes even at all. Your insurance must still be your first line of defense, even if you create an additional entity to act as another layer of protection. Another common problem I see in regard to barns, stables, and farm buildings is their electrical wiring. Because there is no building code in Virginia for agricultural buildings, sometimes property owners take shortcuts in this area that may save them money in the short term, but could substantially increase the likelihood of fire damage that could destroy your barn or even kill your prized horses. Other similar mistakes include the overuse of extension cords, open electrical panels or outlets without covers, the use of household fans in farm buildings, storage of hay in stables, and the attachment of electrical fence chargers to buildings where hay or livestock are kept. Another mistake frequently made by horse owners is assuming that they have liability coverage under their current insurance policy while they're off of their own farm premises with their horse at shows, trail rides, etc. Finally, you have to make sure that your insurance company is A-rated. Don't assume that just because your insurance company is well known that they are financially strong and stable. Make sure to do your own due diligence and research your insurance company's ratings at www.ambest.com/consumer. Type in your insurance company's name at the top of the screen and then press enter to receive a free, unbiased report. If you own a horse farm or ranch in Central Virginia and think that you might be making some of the mistakes I just mentioned, consider contacting me to schedule a free consultation. Unlike most agribusiness insurance agents, I grew up on a fourth-generation family farm right here in Virginia and spent 5 years working in an agribusiness in North Carolina and Virginia before becoming an insurance agent. I understand that each operation is unique and that a one-size-fits-all policy just doesn't make sense. That's why I always visit a new client's property and spend time getting to know them and their operation before writing their insurance. Many insurance companies won't even insure equine operations, and many of those that do simply don't understand the unique challenges that you face. Don't put your business at risk by dealing with an agent that doesn't have the knowledge and experience to provide you with the proper coverage. Give me a call today or visit my website at DavidWise.com so that I can make sure that you, your business, and your family are adequately protected.